जब सुनकर ना आवे कोई तेरी पुकार, जब चारों ओर हो अंधकार ही अंधकार, तब मन का दीपक जला के राही, चल अकेला रे, चल अकेला, चल अकेला, चल अकेला रे। जब जीवन में बाधा ही बाधा हो, केवल अंधकार हो, न सूझे कोई जीवन की आशा, सब बेकार हो, तब मन का दीपक जला के राही, चल अकेला रे, चल अकेला, चल अकेला, चल अकेला रे। With these motivational poems of Rabindranath Tagore, today I am going to start my English class. Today my subject matter is 3 points. What is verb? What is the difference between a transitive verb and an intransitive verb, and what is the difference between finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Let us come. We are going with the example. I will give you the theory. A verb is a word or a group of words which says that a person or a thing is, has, or does what happens or is done to a person or thing. Just take an example. Akhtar reads. Akhtar is reading. Akhtar has been reading. Akhtar shall have been reading. Here it may not be noted that a verb is not always a single word. It often consists of more than single word, even up to 4 words. Have you followed me? All are clear? Now it is my privilege to give you an example. Just wait, I am coming. Wait. Just see, here it is. It is a material noun, like a thing, but his hand is moving. His left hand is moving. It is an action, and that is called verb. It is doing something. It is doing something like this way. This action is called the verb. Now it is clear. Verb has its 4 parts, as like the thing. Here Akhtar reads. It is present indefinite. Akhtar is reading. It is present going on continuous. Akhtar has been reading. It is present continuous, perfect continuous. And Akhtar shall have been reading. It is future continuous. That is the thing. Here it may be noted. We can say verb has changed actions so many ways. Now this is the second point. What is the difference between the transitive and intransitive verb? A transitive verb always have an object that receive the actions of the verb. For example, Rehan broke the bicycle. Who broke the bicycle? Rehan broke the bicycle. Here broke is a verb. Broke is a verb, but the bicycle is the object of the verb. What is the object? Bicycle. Bicycle is the object of the verb. Here the second point, Alia brought a new book. Here brought is the verb and book is an object. Like this, which action has gone? Bought a book, and book is an object of the verb bought. Now come to the point, the third point. Father purchased a HD TV. Here purchased is a HD TV is the object of the purchased verb purchased. On the other hand, the intransitive verb do not have any object. They can be followed by an adverb or any other modifiers. For example, like this way, the villagers went away. Went is a verb, away. Now the second point, the boys played all night. Played is a verb, all night with this it is a complement. Now second, the third point is milkman arrived early in the morning. Arrived is a verb, early morning is the complement. These are called the intransitive verb. Now, have you followed what is intransitive verb? Now I am declaring what is the difference between the finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Finite verbs are the verbs that changes their forms according to their tense, persons and number of a sentence. For example, I play cricket. I play cricket. Second, he plays cricket. I play. He plays. He plays cricket. And third is they are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. Now, on the other hand, non-finite verbs are the verbs persons and number of a sentence. For example, according to they changes their forms according to the tense, persons and number of the sentence. For example, just take it. I like to play cricket. I like to play cricket. Here the to play. He likes to play cricket. He likes. I like. He likes to play cricket. And they liked to play cricket. In this way, today's class is over. Thanking you very much.